Okay, for my RH negative friends, yeah, I know I'm gonna get a little bit of hate for this from some of y'all. I mean, the thing is, technically, there's no proof. We do not have quote unquote copper blood. The bigger question y'all should be saying and asking is, do we require more copper than iron, possibly? That's the question. That's the question we need to have the medical field look into for us, because we don't know. We have no idea. Because all of the standards, a disclaimer, this is for educational purposes only. Do your own research. Go talk to your doctors. This is not to treat, diagnose, medical treatments. No, none of the bullshit. So, FYI. So this one, the RH Negative Daily Protocol and Copper Balancing Guide, I wrote this to help people because so many people were talking about copper and copper in the blood, that we are copper based and blah, 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 which isn't necessarily true. However, for everybody, RH negative or positive, you need both. You need copper, you need iron, you do need both. So in this, I talk about the signs of copper toxicity, the signs of copper deficiency, and then what literally the majority of us do have is the copper that is unbound. So what do I mean? Copper that is unbound in our system is basically kind of free floating along with our iron. So what happens is the iron is floating around in our system and recirculating and creating more toxins. Same with the copper. They're not binding together, but when you can take a really good high quality copper supplement, if you need help, let me know. I'll give you some suggestions of what I take or what I know. But the copper binds to the iron, and that is what makes all the difference. So some of the patterns is you have anxiety, you have fatigue, you're really kind of wired, but you're also really weak at the same time. It is, and that's just some of them. I mean, there's a lot more. I can't go into everything, but it's like I wrote everything. This has like a full protocol for each one. And yes, get testing, get blood work, get all the things so you know what's going on. But this talks about all of it. We need to figure out what our specific standards are that we do need, which we don't know. We only go by the basics of what they tell us, which is really not it. So yeah, full medical disclosure. This is just for fun, for entertainment only. But if you're interested to learn more, it is in this on my, where to go. And then also the RH Negative Volume 2 has more information as well. Different. This is like full protocols and some diets and some things like that to help y'all. So go check it out if that's something you're looking for support for, to give you a little bit of help.